camera post isn't really working, but don't mind those. I'm about to make slime with you guys, and I'm really excited. And just visit part 3, because this is part 2. And if you're hungry like me, like. If you're starving like her, then subscribe. But we're gonna make some slime. First, you need some glue. Oh, this is a recipe without shaving cream. Come on, glue.
Tell them what tools you have to use.
So, if you're wondering what tools you have to use, you have to use some of your daily activator. Baking soda. Colors, if you want your slime to make it colorful. And this solution, which is some water and activated mixed. Oh, I just touched it, but that's okay. And so first you want to add your glue, then which I already did, then you want to add your, can you open this? Then you want to add your activator. So then it's not overactivated. I mean, just glue.
Add a tablespoon.
Just add just maybe eyeball it. Don't cover the whole slime. You could always go back for more, but just do a little bit for now. Then you add some baking soda, which my friend almost tried to steal it from me. And it should start to make some slime. If it's just like that, you need to add more glue. I'm really good at making these slimes, and I've done it a lot. And so, if your mom lets you make it on the table or like hardwood floor like I have, then you can make it on there. But if you have to make it in a bowl, like I don't have to, but you might want to make it wherever you please. And so, feel free to pause the video whenever you want to go back and try to find our description. Just say it. What?
You said claws.
Okay. So I have this obsession of saying claws, not paws. And I don't know why, it's just addicting. And so, comment down below what slime color should I use? Someone's at the door, so bye.